our group at the Trojan Horses has decided to make a Chrome extension to blur out non-inclusive tweets that have hate speech in them using the Cohere API to train an AI using NLP, and we fed the API a bunch of examples of hate speech tweets that we found on an online data set to in order to successfully determine whether a tweet is toxic or not.
Yeah, and we tested it with a few tweets, and they would show toxic here. And because these are hateful languages, but they don't really include non-inclusive language, so they show up as benign. And then, so we decided to make a Chrome extension. So this is our Chrome extension. It's called the Twitter language filter or Twitter inclusivity filter. And basically, it just goes through all the tweets on the page, scans, it takes the text, sends it to the Cohere API, and then with our response, we decide to blur the DOM elements. Unfortunately, because of the Cohere limitation with 100 requests per minute, we weren't able to successfully um, parse all the tweets or send all the tweets to the API. So just to demonstrate, we just decided to blur all elements here, and we can see we have a toggle filter to turn it off, and it dynamically updates. So as we go down, um, the tweets are red with our Chrome extension, and they're blurred out, and we just have it set to default blur because the filter, the API wasn't working for us.
Yeah. So in the future, we would like to use a full version of the Cohere API in order to actually blur out each tweet that is actually toxic or not. But the the data trials for the Cohere API actually worked, and it shows that either tweet is toxic or not. It would just be the only thing that we require is just the actual full version of the Cohere API in order to be able to toggle each tweet or not.
Thank you for watching our demonstration. We hope to finish up this project in the future and deploy it so that it can actually be used to promote inclusivity.